It's an asset, so it can be sold, licensed, exchanged, and it provides exclusivity and is enabling and engaging. So what that means is that the exclusivity, it provides a right or a monopoly to you, and it also allows you to engage with others or enable a certain result through its usage. For the Amazon context, it can be used for brand registry purposes, peace of mind when dealing with suppliers, knowing that you are not going to be ripped off, and the supplier is going to go and reproduce your exact design or your exact product and then sell it under their own brand. And it's the creation of a brand which can be later sold or licensed, and brands, as I'll get to, they can have considerable value. There's different types of IP. You have your standard patents, trademarks, designs, or plant breeders' rights. Obviously, plant breeders' rights are not going to be extremely relevant for you guys, but they are the registrable form. So what that means is that they can be formally registered. But you also have non-registrable ones, which don't have to be registered at all, which are copyright, know-how, trade secrets, and common law trademarks. So copyright, under the Copyright Act, protection subsists as soon as the copyright is created. So you are automatically covered, but sometimes, and I'll get to that in a minute as well, you may wish to formally register it, just so that if you need to enforce it, you've got something there in a tangible form that you can say, actually, I registered it on this date, therefore from that date, I own the copyright.
Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business, selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.